This is my new Sur Ron X. It's a 2018. It does have the better finger sprocket controller, and only ridden 230 miles. I've had it for a week. This is going to be my first long ride. I've done a hard trail ride. Did it 2 days ago and it was wonderful. But this one's going to be a little different in that I'm going to try to get to the trailhead on the bike. And it's about 15 minutes away, so we'll see how that goes. And hopefully ride the trail, come back, and have battery to spare. She's fully charged, ready to go. Alright, I made it. That's 42. I don't know how much fun I'll have, and I don't think I'm gonna make it. But
looking on the city lights, flashing bright in my eyes. Look up to the sky and I got this relief inside, and there's no need to hide. I'm going all the way up. I'm going all the way up. I'm letting go in my heart. With everything that holds me down. No, no. And it's me.
Good news, I'm back in cell service. 24%. I'm gonna get past the highway, and then I'm gonna put it in eco mode. See if I can squeeze out some. Beautiful view. Alright. So I'm about a third of the way home. My Insta360 is dead. 20% battery left. So I'll see if I make it home. I'm optimistic that it'll work because I got a couple down hills, but we'll see. It's been an adventure. I've been 16.6 miles on the road. Oh, let's see. 16.6 miles. Let's see if I can get another 6 miles in. All right, the Sur Ron died. 22.75 miles. I had said it had 8% battery, then it just stopped. And now it's dead. But luckily, I'm I don't know, maybe a mile and a half from home, and yeah, maybe pushed it a little too far. And then this is dead too. I'm not very happy with my 360 right now. Hope you enjoyed this ride as much as I did.